Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you will have enjoyed this video. This type of flexible agricultural irrigation plastic PVC pipe is used in various household applications. But these pipes often burst or get damaged. Many people then find different ways to use it. Many use adhesive tape. But most of the time it opens under water pressure or leaks. Today I will show you how to properly repair the soft pipe when it is damaged. If you watch the video well, hopefully you will benefit in practical life. So like, comment and share now. In this way, many connect the two pipes and use adhesive tape to repair the leaking part. But even if it works temporarily, it is not permanent. It should be remembered that connecting in this way under high water pressure will deteriorate again and the adhesive tape will be damaged in a short time if it comes into contact with water. So today I will show you how to repair the soft pipe when it is damaged. First, find the broken part. The damaged part of the pipe should be divided into two parts and the damaged part should be cut off. Take a piece of PVC pipe that fits easily into the soft pipe and is somewhat tight. I took a piece of PVC pipe here. It penetrates easily into soft pipes with tight fitting. It is UPVC cement that is very effective for these tasks. In this way, a little glue should be taken on the cotton in the bowl. Then it should be inserted 1 inch deep into the soft pipe. Then the small PVC pipe should be coated in 1 inch sections. Now the PVC pipe should be inserted into the soft pipe. In this way, follow the same procedure to connect each end. You have to wait some time for the glue to set. I am testing the connection. But the PVC I attached is a bit thin and brittle. It can be damaged by frequent use. So a little thicker PVC is better. Now I'll show you how to pair thick PVC pieces. Thick PVC pieces don't fit easily into soft pipes. So I made it more flexible with the heat of a little fire. Now I made all the connections using glue in the same way. I am checking if the connecting pipe opens at high pressure. I understand that it is very well connected. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.